Welcome to the Executive MBA program from IBS Hyderabad. A faculty of Executive MBA at IBS Hyderabad not only teaches but also inspires a passionate and well-rounded learning. How? Plans the learning experience and explores the right delivery tools that support personalized learning. Initiates progressive learning through case studies and live projects. Encourages conversations and group activities to bring in collaboration. Adds dimensions to learning by imparting soft skills and enhancing career-oriented skills. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.